Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make delicious pancakes. These are the English pancakes. So first of all, let's get the scales sorted out. Now we're going to put in 200 grams of plain flour. Doesn't matter if it goes over. And then you want to add 2 eggs. Then you want to add a pinch of salt. Then you want to add 500 mils of milk. Making a mess, but it's okay. Now I was going to whisk it in the jug, but it is a little bit full, so I'm going to transfer it into a mixing bowl. Okay, everything is transferred into a mixing bowl. Now we are going to start whisking. All you need to do here is just make sure there's no lumps. So this is about ready. Got as much lumps out as possible. I've transferred it into the jug again. Now I'm putting it into a frying pan. I have got like a spray of vegetable oil at the bottom of the frying pan so it doesn't stick. You don't want too much oil on this, guys. Now I've got medium heat and we just give it about a minute on either side. So it's starting to cook. I am going to speed this up. So just check underneath. And if it's ready, I like mine like this. I don't like it too burnt. And just keep checking it. Nearly ready. There we go, guys, it's done. So I like to top mine with a little bit of sugar and lemon juice. Now you can top it with Nutella, golden syrup, honey, whatever you fancy, guys, but I like the good old lemon and sugar. So here we go. Yep, absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you have made the pancakes. Like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching, guys.